Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the Bitcoin drop 0.3% against the dollar. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an oversold market. The Aussie dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The oil dollar pair gained 0.5% in the last session, after rising as much as 1.3% during the session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Saudi Arabia faces the risk of an economic contraction this year, following its decision to extend crude production cuts, highlighting its still heavy reliance on oil as reforms to diversify are slow-moving. European Central Bank officials will debate a quarter-point interest rate increase on Thursday, and the decision could go either way. It's looking likely that the dynamics of the meeting in Frankfurt will determine whether policymakers opt for a 10th consecutive hike in borrowing costs or choose to pause. The US dollar index registered an 8th straight week of gains, while global stock indexes ended slightly higher on the day, ahead of key US inflation data next week. The dollar index's weekly winning streak was its longest since 2014.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US 3-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT, the US 3-year note auction at 1700 hours GMT. Japan's machine tool orders will be released at 0600 hours GMT. New Zealand's electronic card retail sales at 22:45 GMT. The US NFIB Business Optimism Index at 1000 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.